Ensure that mains voltage is isolated and boiler is switched off. Mounting hole configuration is compatible with many competitor products and standard European wiring box dimensions. Terminals are directly marked for easy identification. Make sure the batteries are correctly oriented. Once installation is complete and power switched on, the installer is guided through a short startup routine. A common heating schedule and recommended comfort temperatures are preloaded as default. Should the customer want these changed, the intuitive user interface makes this a quick and easy option at installation, or the supplied quick guide gets the user started should they wish to change later. Danfoss TP1 offer savings and comfort with confidence. Intelligent controls made easy.